Hello everybody, you hear my voice from Rita Group Front-End YouTube channel. In this lesson, we wanna explain and describe and give you details about some CSS3 properties. Text transform, text overflow, cursor, accent color. Let's go start this text transform. At the first, I write a paragraph and add a class to this, my para. Okay guys, I write the text. Hello. Hello. This is a tutorial from Rita Group. Okay guys, let's check text transform. I add text transform and color, for example, chocolate. I set text transforms to capitalize. And now see the result. Can you see guys? The first letter of each word goes to capital. This is capitalized. And after that I use uppercase, change all of the letters to uppercase and lowercase. Can you see? For example, if I write the first letter of hello capital, it changes to lower. Let's go for the next one, text overflow. Set this to capitalize, and now I wanna set text overflow. For text overflow, you should use word or white space to no wrap, and I wanna add a width. For example, 100 pixel, and after that I used text overflow ellipsis. It's not work because we should use overflow hidden. Can you see? It's 100 pixel. If I increase this, for example, to 180 pixels, it's changed. And another value for text overflow property is clip. This default is cut our text. For example, let's take this. Can you see? But ellipsis is beautiful. Okay, the next one is cursor. By default, when I move my cursor or my pointer to my text, it's changed to this one. But now I want to add cursor, for example, pointer. Can you see? It's like a link pointer. We can see cursor's values here. Try it yourself. Alias, auto scroll, auto cell, call resize, context menu, copy, crosshair, default, e resize, EW resize, grab, grabbing, help. There are many values for or cursor. For example, I want to change this to grab. Can you see? Our text is grabbing. Okay, the last one is accent color. For this, for example, we should write input checkbox. Hello. Hello. This is our input. By default, this is blue color. But now I want to add, for example, input accent color to red. Can you see it's changed to red? For example, if I change this to green, it's changed to green. This is our session. This is quick session about 4 properties of CSS. You can check them in Developer School with examples. And our lesson is finished. Have a good time. Please subscribe our channel and goodbye.